Hello everyone, my name is Alexis. Welcome to the Learner's Guide. In this video, you will learn the Waray-waray translations of some common words or sentences. Let's begin. I'm sorry or forgive me, pasaylo-a ako. I like you, naruruyag ako haimo. I love you, higugmaun ko ikaw. Thanks a lot or thank you very much, damo nga salamat. You're welcome, waray sapayan. How are you? Kumusta ka? Or you can also say, kumusta ka na? Or kumusta ka naman? How much is the fare? Tagpira it pasahe. I don't know, Diri ako maaram. Or simply say, Ambot. Turn on the light, palagaha it suga. Turn off the light, Parunga it suga. Go upstairs, Saka igbaw. Go downstairs, Lusad ubos. Come in, Dayon. Get out, Gawas. Come back, Balik. Get off, Haw-as. Oh, come on. Come on. Really? Balit gad. There you go. Want to learn more? Leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.